In this lecture, we will learn about Iterator interface. Iterator interface. We already know that we can read collection data. We can read collection data by using three by using three cursor. Okay, by using three cursor. Number one is enumeration. Number one is enumeration. Number two is iterator. Number three is list iterator. Okay, but enumeration cursor is applicable only for Java 1.0 version classes. Okay, iterator is universal cursor and it can use in all classes. Okay, list iterator, it is only applicable for list classes or list interface. Okay, in this class we will learn about iterator interface. So let's start. First, I want to declare an linked list. Say linked list. Okay, linked list without any generics. Okay, list equal new linked list. Then I want to store some value, like this is a string value, this is integer value. Okay, this is float value, okay, Control Shift F for formatting. Okay, now I want to print this value by using iterator. How I can do this? Iterator equal list dot iterator. Okay, iterator has three methods. Iterator has actually four methods, but we will discuss about three methods. Number one is has next. Has next. This method is used to see that data is available or not. Okay, data is available or not. It is used for that purpose. To data is available or not. To see data is available or not. Okay, number two is next method. Okay, next method, it is used to read the data. Number three is remove. This method is used to remove the data. Remove the data. Okay, and and iterator and iterator sorry iterator is a forward cursor forward cursor. Okay, now we want to read this value. How we can use the iterator? While iterator dot has next, that will see that data is available or not. Okay, as next, then iterator dot next. Okay, if we want to store the value, here is different types of value. This is string, this is integer, and this is float. So there are different kinds of values here. If we want to store different types of values, then we should use object. Okay, object class, because this object class can store all types of values. Then if we print it, then we can see here that all data is printed. Fine. Now I iterator has two version. One is non-generics and another is generics version. If I want to specify here only string only string only string, then sorry, if we want to uh, if we want to store only read only string value, here you can see that I am using iterator dot next. Fine. Now if I want to store string value only, then you can see that only string is printed. Only string is printed. Only string is printed means this one is printed, but integer and float is not printed. Okay, here if we want to store only string, then this is not applicable here, right? Now I can add, say here, Ruby list dot add here Rahul. Okay, now if I print it, then we can see three string value is printed. Number one is string, number two is Ravi, and number three is Rahul. By using this method and this cursor, we can read any types of collection. Like if we want to use here array list. Okay, array list and array list. Fine. It's the mistake here. Okay, this one is mistake. Then we can print the value by using array list also. Okay.